We are Barb and Terry O'Neill. Join us as we spend our retirement exploring the world. We're in a grab, heading past the rice paddies, going from Old Town Hoi An to An Bang Beach this morning. Here's a guy taking a break on his water buffalo. We're going to be hanging out at Sea and Sand Beach Bar today. Now it's 11:30. We've ordered a couple of iced coffees and a mango pancake with chocolate sauce. An Bang Beach is about 5 kilometers from Old Town Hoi An. We bought a little bracelet from a beach vendor for our 2-year-old granddaughter Collins. You can see the beach hotels of Da Nang to the north. Now it's about 1 o'clock and we've decided to get a couple of passion fruit mojitos, some fried wontons, and fresh spring rolls with shrimp. These wontons were delicious. The crew launching parasailers was quite busy this day. It's getting later in the afternoon. We decided to have some beer and a mango salad that was really good. The bottom layer was thin strips of mango. This is Sea and Sand Beach Bar, so we were on loungers just in front of these steps. But they do have tables and bathrooms, and the kitchen is back there. It was a comfortable spot for the day, not as busy in this part of the beach as it is further to the south. Here's a breakdown of the very reasonable costs for our beach day. You can perhaps pause the video if you want detail, but our total cost was $45.77 Canadian. This includes the grab both ways. After the beach, we cleaned up and headed to Old Town for the Lantern Festival. If you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe. The river in Hoi An is filled with these boats every evening, with visitors releasing lanterns for good luck. The difference tonight for the Lantern Festival is many of the electric lights are turned off and the lighting is mostly by lantern. Even the famous Japanese bridge is darker. Got a prime table for the Lantern Festival. Full moon tonight, which is why it's the Lantern Festival. Last day of Tet. We've secured a prime table at Morning Glory Signature on the 3rd floor to observe the festivities. Here's a couple of our dishes that we had for dinner. Hoi An's ancient town has been registered as a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1999. Thanks for watching. Bye.